Go hard, or go home. Go home. Go hard, or go home. Go hard, or go home.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of some Christian Louboutin heels. They're called the Iridescent Shiny Gold Pump. And I was looking for these shoes and I couldn't find my size. Neiman didn't have my size. Saks say it was on pre-order. So I went to Christian Louboutin and they had one pair in my size, which is a 39. And it's a shiny gold, iridescent, and again it called Hot Chick Iridescent Pump. That's the name of them. And as you can tell, I love Christian Louboutin heels. Not only because of the sole, but I love the comfort of how they fit. And I just love Christian Louboutins. I say I should have been started doing hauls on all of my shoes, and you know, even my son, he has the Christian Louboutin shoes, the different type of shoes he loves. And I said I should have been doing hauls on them. I could have shared with you all the different pairs and just, you know, let you know how they feel. Because some shoes look good, but they're not comfortable. So I would like to tell you all how comfortable they are. So, but here you have it now. And again, it's the Hot Chick Iridescent Shiny Gold. And of course, you know, got the care bag, dust bag. If you want to go somewhere, you don't want to take your whole box, you're going out of town, you can just throw them in your bag and bring them along. And again, here you have it, your Hot Chick Iridescent Shiny Gold Pump. Thank you all for watching, and you all have an awesome day.
Go hard, or go home. Go home.